Hi folks, this section of the video is about how to fill in your data table and more broadly, how to fill in the different slides in your lab. This is your data table. Make sure to be specific with your levels. So in my lab, each of my levels changed the number of sheep. The number of wolves. So in level 1, I had 100 sheep and 25 wolves. In level 2, I had 100 sheep and 50 wolves. And in level 3, I had 100 sheep and 100 wolves. I'm being specific with my levels. At each level, I filled in the time. T is for time. And that's the time where I stop the simulator. And then I fill in my numbers for each population all the way across. You did this in class on Tuesday, and you can absolutely photograph the data table from your notes and paste it right in here.